Hey there, imagine turning your everyday online activities into a steady stream of income. With Google, you can make money from anywhere just by doing what you already do. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new way to make money online. And let me know in the comments where you're tuning in from. This helps me create more videos tailored for your country. All right, let's talk about how you can actually get paid by Google just for giving your feedback. Yes, seriously, no experience, no special skills, and you can do this from anywhere in the world. Google User Experience Research is a totally legit program run by Google to improve their products and services. They want to hear from real people, like you and me, so they pay users to participate in things like usability tests, interviews, and online surveys. Most of the time, you'll get paid in gift cards or prepaid cards, and you don't even have to be a Google superfan or tech expert. So how does it work? First, you sign up on the official Google User Experience Research website. The process is easy. Just fill out a sign-up form and answer a few questions about yourself. Be honest here, because this info is what Google uses to match you with relevant studies. Once you're signed up, you just wait for an email invitation when there's a study that fits your profile. Now, to qualify for a specific study, you'll usually need to answer a short screener survey. This just helps Google make sure you're the right fit. If you qualify, you'll get instructions on what to do next. If not, no worries, just wait for the next opportunity to pop up in your inbox. The types of research can vary. There are short usability studies that might only take a few minutes, longer studies that stretch over a few days or weeks, and even quick online surveys. For remote usability tests, you might do a screen share with a researcher and answer questions as you go. These longer studies usually pay more, but all of them are super simple and don't require any fancy tech skills. Once you complete a study, compensation details will be right there in your invitation email. Most of the time, you'll get a digital gift card, but sometimes Google sends out prepaid Visa or MasterCards. After your participation is approved, you'll get your reward directly to your email within 3 to 5 business days. No long waits, no complicated hoops to jump through. What I really love is that this program is available almost everywhere. So, no matter what country you're from, there's a good chance you can sign up and start earning. So, what do you think? Would you try getting paid by Google for your feedback? Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I always love hearing from you. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, share the video with someone who'd love to earn a little extra, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the next side hustle idea. Thanks for watching.